My company is Nechemia Distribution. We sell beauty products online. We sell on multiple channels: Amazon, Walmart, Groupon, eBay, and some other channels. All of our warehouse management is done through Skustack. We have truckloads come in. Skustack lets us know if it's a new SKU, if it's not a new SKU, and if it goes through different workflows, if it is, if it isn't. When it comes to putaways, picks, packs, Skustack does a great job in just routing the most efficient way, and we're able to separate the pick list based on different criterias. We have Ship Verify, which we actually scan the package and scan the item to make sure that the right item is going into the right package. That's a great tool. Saves on a lot of errors. If there is a mistake, it lets you audit and see who actually packed it. And it also could give you numbers of speed, how fast packers are packing, because you have all the data of actual scans. Different companies have different requirements. Shipping orders, picking, packing, and getting orders out quickly. That is something that Skustack is great for. Putaways, bin checks, inventory adjustments, etc. All those things. We're married to Skustack. Skustack is amazing.